Hi, my name is Ryan Banks. My presentation is on, I picked an artist called Lucky Chops. They're a brass ensemble, and they're a small little brass, like quintet or something like that, and they play. And just a little bit about them, I started listening to them back in high school, and I played some of their music as well. They're a really fun band. And just, I learned about them from social media, and it's kind of like ironic that I learned about them from that. And so they actually don't play much anymore, like in live performances. I never saw them live, but since COVID happened, they haven't played live performances any well. But so they use social media very well. I follow them on Instagram, so I used to see all their posts about when they had their concerts and things like that. They don't obviously have concerts anymore, but they used to. And I watch all their videos on YouTube when they used to make new music videos about their new songs. And the good thing about them was that they wouldn't just make music, but they also make like entertaining music videos with like they dance and like it'd be kind of crazy. But it was really entertaining for someone like me, and so I like their music and I like their videos. And now I use them on Spotify. Now I have them in a little brass band section that I play their album. I listen to their music. It's just good music to listen to, and they advertise it very well. They have a shop. They sell like T-shirts and things like that, and so they're very well at advertising. I think it's because of their age group. They're all pretty young musicians, so they know how social media works. They know how to appeal to a younger audience and to an audience who uses social media as well. So just to show some of the platforms that they use. So here's their Spotify. They just have a bunch of different songs that we listen to, and I just have it in I have an album. I just put all these songs in there. I like listening to that one. Then their Instagram page, back when they used to perform concerts, they would post about these are pictures from their concerts that they just had. Or they would post like saying like, hey, we're having a concert coming up. Or right here you can say how they're posting about how they're selling things. And so it was just really well, and they posted not too often, but they posted every once in a while, so you wouldn't get too like annoyed by them. But their main page that I would use is their YouTube page. They would always post their funny videos on here, and they just of them like just in the recording, and they just like do like collabs and things like that. And so it was just really good, and I just really enjoyed them, and so they're really appealing to younger audiences. So yeah, that's my presentation on Lucky Chops and their use of social media. Compared to the other two artists that I picked, this is the one that I believe does the best job of using social media to not only reach a larger audience, but advertise their music so that they're more heard. Because I think a couple years ago, like when they were just playing in the streets of New York, no one knew about them. But now I'm from Montana and I know about them. And so it's never seen them live, but because of social media, I was able to hear about them and love them. So that's it.